Imagine a world where your gaming skills can actually fill up your wallet. That's right, we're not talking about becoming an esports legend overnight or crafting viral content for millions to watch. We're diving into accessible, real-world strategies where your love for gaming can turn into tangible rewards. Welcome to a journey where every click, every victory, and every level up could mean more than just in-game currency. This is about real money, for real gamers like you. First on our list is Swagbucks, a behemoth in the get-paid-to realm, offering a treasure trove of opportunities for gamers worldwide. Picture this. You're diving into various games, from quick puzzles to engaging adventures. And with every victory, your Swagbucks balance climbs. But it's not just about gaming. Swagbucks brings a universe of earning options, from surveys to shopping rewards, making it a versatile platform to boost your earnings. The best part? It's all within reach from the comfort of your couch. Next, we introduce FREECASH, a rising star in the get-paid-to galaxy. FREECASH distinguishes itself with its lucrative offers, making it a hotspot for gamers seeking premium rewards for their gaming prowess. Whether it's conquering levels in the latest mobile game or completing challenges, FREECASH turns your gaming milestones into cash, crypto, or gift cards. The threshold for cashing out? Laughably low, making it a swift route from gaming to gaining. Cointiplly comes into play as our third option, a beacon for crypto enthusiasts. If you're intrigued by the intersection of gaming and cryptocurrency, Cointiplly offers a unique path. Earn by playing games, engaging in surveys, or participating in various tasks, all accumulating to crypto rewards. It's a modern twist to gaming profits, blending the thrill of gaming with the innovation of cryptocurrency earnings. As we venture through these platforms, remember, the journey to profitability is as exciting as the games themselves. If you're enjoying the adventure so far, why not hit subscribe? Join our community at Profitability Plus for more insights on turning your passions into profits. Let's address a common myth, the notion of effortless, massive daily earnings through casual gaming. The reality is, those flashy headlines promising hundreds of dollars for minimal play are mostly fantasy. Our focus is on genuine, tested methods that welcome all gamers to start earning without unrealistic expectations. These platforms aren't just about playing. They're about strategically leveraging your gaming time into a rewarding endeavor. Moving forward, let's talk about Pawns, a unique contender in our lineup. Unlike traditional game-based earning apps, Pawns offers a passive income model by utilizing your unused internet bandwidth. Simply install it on your device, and as you engage in your gaming sessions or any online activity, Pawns works silently in the background, earning you money without any additional effort. It's like having a financial companion, rewarding you for just being online. And with a low payout threshold, your earnings are easily accessible via PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. An effortless addition to your earning arsenal. Next up is Ysense, a versatile platform known for its survey opportunities, but harboring a hidden gem for gamers. Through its mobile app, Ysense unveils playtime games that pay you per minute of gameplay. It's an inviting avenue for earning a bit extra while enjoying bite-sized games. Available globally, Ysense makes its rewards accessible through PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and an array of gift cards. It's a testament to the diverse ways one can merge gaming with earning, no matter where in the world you are. APPKARMA steps into the spotlight as our sixth option, with a strong focus on rewarding gamers. Exclusive to Android users, APPKARMA is a sanctuary for those looking to get compensated for their gaming time. From proprietary games to playtime rewards for exploring new titles, APPKARMA caters to a broad spectrum of gaming preferences. The threshold for rewards is minimal, ensuring that your efforts are quickly turned into PayPal cash or gift cards. And with a special VIP invitation link, starting your APPKARMA journey is even more rewarding. Venturing into the realm of game testing, PLAYTESTCLOUD introduces an intriguing twist. Here, your mission is to delve into games still in development, providing valuable feedback to creators. This role not only places you at the heart of the gaming evolution, but also compensates generously for your time. Though opportunities may not be as frequent, the potential earnings per session make it a lucrative endeavor worth exploring, especially when combined with other platforms. INBOXDOLLARS rounds out our list, offering a comprehensive suite of earning activities with a focus on gaming for those in the US. Beyond gaming, INBOXDOLLARS extends into surveys, video watching, and more, ensuring a rich tapestry of earning potential. The welcome bonus is the cherry on top, making your initial foray into INBOXDOLLARS both rewarding and welcoming. Isn't it fascinating how the digital era has transformed hobbies into income streams? This evolution underscores the blend of technology, entertainment, and finance, creating avenues for gamers like you to not only engage in thrilling virtual adventures, but also reap financial benefits. As we delve deeper into this synergy, remember, every game you play, every level you conquer, and every strategy you devise can now contribute to more than just digital victories. They can bolster your real-world wallet. Consider this: gaming is no longer just an escape from reality. It's a bridge to financial empowerment. It's about leveraging your leisure time into something more productive and rewarding. In this journey, platforms like Swagbucks, FREECASH, and COINTIPLY are your allies, each offering a unique battlefield where victories translate into cash, gift cards, and even cryptocurrency. And with the addition of pawns, Ysense, APPKARMA, PLAYTESTCLOUD, and INBOXDOLLARS, your arsenal for earning is more diversified and potent than ever. Let's not overlook the importance of strategy in maximizing your earnings. Just as in gaming, where tactics and planning define success, choosing the right mix of platforms based on your gaming preferences, payment options, and geographical location can significantly impact your earning potential. It's about smart play, both in-game and in choosing where and how you dedicate your gaming time. And here's a thought: while these platforms offer a gateway to earning, they also provide a unique opportunity for learning. Each game, each task, and each survey not only contributes to your earnings, but also broadens your understanding of different genres, market trends, and consumer preferences. This knowledge is invaluable, not just for personal growth, but also for those considering a deeper dive into the gaming industry or digital entrepreneurship. So, as we continue on this path of exploring the confluence of gaming and earning, remember, you're at the forefront of a digital revolution, a space where passion meets profitability. The opportunities are as vast as the virtual worlds you explore, each offering a chance to turn the time spent behind the screen into tangible rewards. As we conclude this guide, let's reaffirm our commitment at Profitability Plus to empower you with knowledge, strategies, and opportunities to make your gaming time rewarding in every sense. If you're ready to transform your gaming from a pastime into a profit stream, remember to like, subscribe, and join us on this exciting journey. Your next game could be the key to unlocking a new level of financial freedom. Thank you for being part of this adventure. Here's to making every game count, not just on the scoreboard, but in your bank account too. Until next time, keep gaming, keep earning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the digital age.